you're going to get wet because your boat's going to get a little bit wet. Now
Cardboard
remember,
boat races.
what goes in the water comes out the water. So if your boat does not make it back to shore, it's your obligation to bring the boat back up here. Okay? All right, let's load them up and move them out. You know, the water is real calm. You can see with your feet, but just kind of keep an eye out any kind of sharp objects down there, all right?
Oh, they're made out of cardboard. Cool. Made out of nothing but cardboard and paint. Oh, check the raft one out.
Brendan, can you get in the kayak and just hang out there?
Alright, go Brendan.
You guys scoot over so everybody can get in the water. Okay, y'all scoot over to the side so everybody can get in. Got high stakes here now, everybody. Scoot across so you can get in.
Jacob has been found and he's on his way back. So
right.
Jacob has been found.
Jacob in the boat race? Okay, you guys scoot on out. We've got one more boat to get in. You want to help your dad pull the boat in? It's your job to bring the boat in. Come on, get the boat. There you go.
Look like cardboard and yeah, it's cardboard rolled up. Yeah.
Miss this guy. All right, everybody, put your boats in the water.
Let me try to get a picture.
You may want to push it out a little bit more because it's very shallow right here. Okay, everybody line up nice and even. Don't make this fair. Hold on a second, Lightning. Big Red, move up.
Yeah, I wish I had boom.
Okay, on your mark. Get set. Go!
Good time to step in an ant bed, man.
No. No way.
Yes!
Where's my juice?
So, watch out, you might have ants falling on you.
No, now I'm watching the feet, not the boat.
Oh, the raft's not making it.
Go
Do you
down
have
to
one
the
out
buoy.
there? Do you have a kid out there?
Nah.
That's okay, you keep it up. There you go.
Yeah!
Woo! In front of you.
Aww.
And then pull back.
That's funny. So they only have to
Come
go
on,
to
come
white
on,
ball?
come on.
They're surviving pretty good.
That's funny. Oh, poor little raft all by himself.
He's trying so hard.
Yes.
These guys have learned a little bit.
He shouldn't be by
I am
himself.
so impressed. Nothing's sunk yet. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, Bling. Come on, Big Red. Come on, Lightning. Come on, man! Come on, you guys! Come on, come on, come on!
You can do it! Come on! You can do it! You
Come
can
on,
do
you guys!
it!
First attempt!
He needs to practice paddling better.
And another person to help him with it.
guys make way so they can pull their boats out of the way. There'll be some more coming. Thank you.
Oh, there's more?
Come on,
I
Ralph.
like that one. They can go from one end to the other and paddle. Come on, you guys.
This poor little one, he's going to give up. He's going to be like, okay, I'm going back
He's
now.
so close to the buoy, though. It's just, it's hard when one person's paddling.
Yeah.
He needs to go from one side to the other if he's going to
Small.
try
He
and get
only looks
anywhere.
like he's like 6, 7 years old.
I wish I would have known about this. I would have.
I bet.
Well, you got a year.
Yep, that's right. We got to get a picture of this.
That one actually did laugh.
Crazy clever. We got some future nautical engineers here.
Yeah. Woo! Come on!
Okay.
There you go! There you go!
You got it! You can do it!
Woo!
Give him some encouragement.
Here he comes.
One side
Right.
to the other!
Woo-hoo!
Go one. There you go!
There you go! There you go!
One side to the other!
Oh, no.
Up!
He's like, I can do it, I can do it.
He's just gonna walk
Yeah,
in.
he's lost.
It stayed up though.
It did.
Woo! Come on!
This is incredible. This boat has not taken on any water. You can stand up and hold it if you want.
Yeah!
That's small.
Now he's not going to do it. He says, I can do it. He's not going to give up.
Okay. That's it. There you go.
All right,
You can
Woo!
3-hour tour. All right. You did great.